Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials, bringing you another original design. This is the Gilgamesh knot. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left. It's same spot, it's at the belt line. I'm just going to kind of put a mocha pinch in there. I just want to do that for this one. Come over here, come up and over, come down and around, up and over. I'm going to open up this one here. Bring this through all the way like this. Bring it across like this. Bring it up and over. So we have that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this in half. Open this up, come through here. All the way like this. Then I'm going to put it back through here, fold it in half again, come back over here like this, and it's going to come back up through here like this. Let me put my collar down. Let me come up here close for you to see it. So we're going to have this right here. The different layers, open it up, kind of spread it out like that. So there you have the Gilgamesh knot. Again, own your style, my friends. You're 51 if you made. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. We'll see you in the next video.